Hey folks, welcome to the Shoemakers Academy. I'm Wade, the shoe dog. I want to show you something. This is the pattern pack for the DIY kit, and this is the same pattern that comes with our DIY kit. But if you have the other leather working tools and skills already, and you don't need the punch in the eyelet setter and all that stuff, then you can just get the pattern. And this is the pattern we use to make this high cut shoe and this low cut shoe. So this is it. This is what comes in it. None of the shoe materials, just the pattern, the instructions, and this marking pen. So first things first, this is the instruction kit. Scan this barcode. It'll take you to the full length video. Here's step-by-step instructions for how to do it. This will give you a good idea of what you're in for. You can download this if you want to. It's on the website. Then you've got the pattern. So here we've got this is the footbed pattern and the Strobel pattern, right? And you'll notice it's perforated, right? It's got all the markings for the holes, and these holes all line up one for one with the rest of the shoe. So if you punch these holes, then you're going to sew this together without actually having to punch the needle through your material. Okay, so left and right to make the footbed. This is the lateral and medial side of the shoe. And here you can see we've got two lines. You've got the high cut line and then the line to make the low cut. Same idea. When you pick your line that you're going to make, you're going to punch more or less holes for eyelets, right? And then here's the tongue. You're going to see that it has a high cut line and a low cut line. And the tongue is also just flipped to make left and right. And then this is the little toe tip section right here. That's what makes this piece. And this is symmetrical left and right. This little pattern pack comes with this invisible disappearing ink pen. So basically how this works is you can draw on your leather. And then when the shoe is done, or you're done tracing and you've already assembled everything, you can just hit it with a blow dryer or a heat gun and this ink will disappear. Again, this is what's in the kit right here. Just the pen, the pattern, and the instructions. Have a go. You can do this.